I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on Remitly, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause payment issues. Step 2. Verify payment details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Remitly app. Outdated apps can have bugs that affect payment processing. Step 4. Check for account issues. Log into your Remitly account and check for any alerts or notifications that might indicate an issue. Sometimes, accounts can be temporarily restricted for security reasons. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Remitly's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into why your payment isn't going through. I hope these steps help you resolve your payment issues quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.